What's up, YouTube? As you probably know, iOS 18.2.1 was recently released, and today I got some great news for all of you that wish to jailbreak your iPhone running iOS 18. Any version of iOS 18 up to and including iOS 18.2.1. And I'm going to show you how easy and quickly it is to jailbreak your iPhone. And first off, as you can see, I'm not jailbroken. I do not have cydia or sileo. And what you need to do is simply start your Safari browser on your iOS device and head over to this address, letitra1n.com. And rain is spelled with the number 1 instead of an I. So anyway, head over to letitra1n.com, and here they will explain to you how it works. They will tell you that you can't install sileo, cydia, etc. If you're not jailbroken, because Apple has not approved that app. However, you can of course install apps that has been approved by Apple. So what they did was they injected code containing the jailbreak and sileo inside an Apple approved app, and the result is that they got an application that is approved by Apple and can be installed, and when you start this app, then the jailbreak and sileo will be installed in the background. I'm not going to go through all this, you can read for yourself, but anyway, head over to letitra1n.com and then click on this little icon here down at the bottom. And now you will get to the Jailbreak Injected App Store, and here they add apps that they have injected with the jailbreak and sileo. So first of all, you need to download the app. They're of course free. And like I said, they are all of course 100% free, so you got nothing to lose by trying. And now when you start this app, then the jailbreak and sileo will be installed in the background. Now you need to start this app and keep it open for a minute or two or so. This is because this app contains the jailbreak. So if you close this app, you also close the jailbreak installation. Sometimes the apps gets patched though, but they add new injected apps pretty much daily. But usually it works right away. But if an app doesn't work, then simply try the next app. Now, the jailbreak and sileo is being installed in the background, so you can play around while you wait. Shouldn't take more than, like I said, a minute or so. Doesn't look like it's working though. I think this app has been patched. I'm just gonna try the next app. Hopefully this works now, so I can show you what it looks like. And like I said, when you start the app, you need to keep it running for a minute or so to give the jailbreak time to install itself in the background. And sometimes the apps do get patched, but just try another app. Usually it works right away. Sometimes you need to try a few. So now, hopefully, the jailbreak is being installed in the background. Should happen anytime soon. There we go. That's the respring. That's the jailbreak respringing your device, finishing installing the jailbreak. And there you have it. There's sileo. And that's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 18.2.1. Thank you for watching and have a great day.